Howdy viewers, Rob here on the Peak Forest Canal just outside Furnace Vale. And look at that, slow, we got a digger on a barge. A Kubota. I think that's like a two or 3 ton one, I think. But how random. Just on an empty barge, getting pushed along by tug barge. Coombs. Let's have a mooch. There we are, now they must be doing tracks and all. Careful, I've done a slip. So they're doing some repairs on the canal side. So, off here. That'll just be the tug barge that just pushes it up and down wherever it needs. Men at work sign, but they come from a land down under. And here we are, cyclists dismount and use the footway. There we are, is it like a festival or immigration? We're in Calais. Beep, 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 beep. Border force going to jump out on me or something. Oh no, in the French they'd just help you straight through if you were coming out, wouldn't you? So yeah, we got some back, see where they're doing the work. Hey, up Mrs. Duck, or is it Mr. Duck? It's a youngster, fledging, I think it's a male. So here we can see there, they got some steel plates there that they'll be forcing down, they've got some others there. So they're just doing some general repair work. Down here, the rain's starting again, it's Sunday the 15th of September. We're going to wrap this one up. That's behind us. Even joggers are picking up pace. Here we are now, we're being escorted through. Now, if we come here, get rid of your passport, you're in British waters. There's pirate. So, from Rob, down here on the Peak Forest Canal, showing you the repairs. Stay safe, take care. Nice hound. Go on, love. Adios.